Welcome to Veritas Vault, a smart contract for the people. Maybe you're here because someone asked you a simple question, like, if there was a way to earn $2,000 to $3,000 per month part-time, would you like to hear about it? If there was a way to turn $1,000 into $50,000, would you like to hear about it? If there was a way to make serious money in cryptocurrency, would you like to hear about it? And if there was a way to earn money working from home and get paid 3 times daily, would you like to hear about it? The reason we have 4 different questions here is because everyone's why is different. Maybe you're retired and a couple $1,000s per month would make a huge difference in your life. Maybe you're young and would like to buy a home for your family. Maybe you're a single parent and would love to make a living from home. Whatever your situation is, we know you need some extra money in your life. So let me ask you another question. What is your why? Is it your kids, your spouse, your health, moving out of the neighborhood you live in? What do you need or want out of this life? Once you identify your why, you now have a starting point. Before we proceed, let me jump in here and say this. We are not financial advisors, and what you are about to hear and see is not financial advice. This is a business opportunity that you should make your own decisions about and your own participation levels. During this presentation, we will be discussing 3 things that you should consider before starting or engaging in any business opportunity. It doesn't matter if it's a McDonald's, a car lot, a clothing store, or a home-based business. We like to call this the 3 Ps: the product, the people, and the pay plan. The first P is the product, which is the smart contract. Have you ever heard of Bitcoin before? Some people have and made a lot of money with it. Some people haven't lost a lot of money, and some people are not really sure about it. In the past 15 years, Bitcoin has gone from 15 cents to over $100,000 per coin. Don't you wish you would have bought $100 worth of Bitcoin and saved it? Well, too bad we don't have that kind of opportunity with Bitcoin now. And that brings us to the smart contract. Now, what exactly is a smart contract? Smart contracts are digital contracts stored on a blockchain that are automatically executed when predetermined terms and conditions are met. They are typically used to automate the execution of an agreement so that all participants can be immediately certain of the outcome without any intermediaries' involvement or time loss. They can also automate a workflow, triggering the next action when predetermined conditions are met. If that definition's over your head a little bit, let me make it simple. It runs like many home automation products, like alarm systems, thermostats, coffee pots, and even your porch light. Once programmed, they do the same thing over and over, and you are the only one that can change the program. The same with a smart contract. Once it's been locked by the developer, no one else can come in and make changes. How'd you like an automatic payment system that paid you 3 times a day and couldn't be changed? Pretty cool. We'll get more into that in a minute. Now, the second P is the people. Once a smart contract is executed, there isn't just one owner. Everyone that buys and stakes the VVA token are owners of the smart contract. A smart contract is owned by we the people, and it is totally transparent on the blockchain. We all get to help drive the price of the token and share in the profits. And there are safeguards built into this contract to protect all of us and our tokens. Many of us have been on Zoom calls with the developer and have heard and seen his passion. We are truly one big family of like-minded individuals. Would you like to join this kind of family? The third P is the pay plan. The most attractive part of Veritas Vault is the ability to get paid 3 times per day for staking the Veritas Vault token, or VVA. If you're not familiar with staking, this is a crypto term for buying a crypto token and holding it in your wallet without selling it. When you hold it, you get paid a certain percentage in tokens every day, week, or month, depending on the offering. Here at Veritas Vault, we get paid up to 0.44% every 8 hours, which is up to 1.32% daily, 7 days a week. The good news is we can unstake our tokens, cash out what we need anytime, and leave the balance in our account to continue earning daily pay. And this is just the beginning. Do you know anyone else who'd like to get paid 3 times a day? If so, you're now starting to build a team where you get paid rewards 3 times daily on each person that you refer into the program. Refer 10 people, get paid 30 times per day. Do they know 10 people each that want to change their lives? That's a lot of daily payments you receive every day of the year. Rewards are paid in VVA tokens, which, by the way, can also increase in value as people make purchases. The Veritas Vault referral plan is simple. Anyone you personally invite to stake VVA tokens goes into your first level, and you can invite as many people as you want. There's no limit. You earn staking rewards, not just from your direct invitees, but also from up to 12 levels of referrals beneath them. The more VVA you personally stake, the deeper you qualify to earn rewards from your network's activity. This chart shows the required personal staking and the reward percentages for each of the 12 levels, so you always know your earning potential. The next progression in our pay plan is our Diamond League team bonuses. Here's how it works. If you help at least 3 people you personally invited into Veritas Vault to each reach the staking volume shown in the second column of this chart, you'll unlock special added network bonuses. For example, if Bob, Cheng, and Malcolm, your direct invitees, each build a team with at least 50,000 DAI worth of staked VVA tokens, that's a combined 150,000 DAI. When this happens, you instantly qualify for Diamond Level 1 and get a 1% bonus, automatically added to your Vault wallet. The more you help your teams succeed, the more exclusive rank and VVA rewards you'll gain. Well, now you've heard about Veritas Vault, and you know how it works. So think about this. What if Veritas Vault could put $2,000 to $3,000 per month in your pocket? What if Veritas Vault could help you turn $1,000 into $50,000? What if Veritas Vault could help you make some serious money in cryptocurrency? And what if Veritas Vault could help you get paid 3 times per day and work from home? Would this answer your why? Would this help your current situation in life? Where would you be 6 months from now if this happened to you? How about a year from now? Can you see yourself there? Look into the future with me for a minute. Everyone has different dreams and different desires. Some want to travel the world. Some want to raise their kids and send them to college. And some just want to sit around the house with their loved ones. We can see you there with a big smile on your face doing what you want to do. Can you see yourself there too? We hope you can. With dedication and determination and a dash of "I'm not gonna quit," we know your dreams can become a reality. Get with the person that shared Veritas Vault with you to help you get started today.